I'm Patrick. As a designer, I'm always looking for new ways to enhance the wine drinking experience. Because at Vacuven we believe that wine drinking is a social occasion, we came up with the Swirling Carafe. This unique product enhances the wine drinking, but also brings joy to the table as a real conversation starter. The base of the Swirling Carafe is made of beautiful cork, which gives it a warm appearance. The high-quality mechanism is placed off-center, so the wine not only rolls, but also swirls. The hand-blown carafe has a recess in the bottom to ensure it stays in place while spinning. It's designed to stand at an angle to really experience the spinning process. With the Swirling Carafe and many more innovations to come, Vacuven adds a new dimension to wine drinking.
OXO Tot helps parents clean up quickly and effectively. Our cleaning set is great for hard-to-reach parts on sippy and straw cups. 3 pieces give you a deep-down clean for valves and sippy spouts, cup lids and breast pump parts, and straws. Flat, non-slip handles provide a firm grip. They snap together on a plastic ring so you can keep them close at hand.